Today it's the 15th of July 2025. We have Pihtikatu 2 here, and is it also Liipola, Lahti,
Yeah.
Finland. It was built in 1970, modernized in 2002, December is 18626. But I have a feeling I have filmed one of these, but I don't remember which one.
Yeah.
But it was not 2, I think. But
Yeah.
I'm not sure, but
Yeah.
you filmed number 4.
Yeah.
So it's number 6 we'll try, or
Yeah. One right door.
if we don't have time, it took a lot of time, so maybe one, because
Yeah.
it took a lot of time.
Niissä on pitääkin vain sitten meidän kautta on discretis.
I like the machine and the sounds from it, and the smell.
Same.
Best. I think somebody is gonna use it because it's going.
That's